to make a big splash with the debut of the new Duster, but the French car maker is not pinning its hope on this one model to turn around its fortune in India. The company intends to accelerate the pace of introducing new models with at least one launch planned every year. Duster spawned a 7-seater SUV in a due course Kiger. The company is understood to be working on a mini Duster, one that will slot in the compact SUVs category. Bryce, the Renault's chief growth officer and CEO of the Renault brand, said it's a good idea. He said in an interview with Autocar India, the new sub 4-meter SUV will sit alongside Kiger, a model on the Duster with more body's SUV silhouette. Kiger took off in mid 2025 with a sales of around 1,000 to 1,200 units. This is likely on account of the crossover, which doesn't click with the Indian market for more upright boxy stance. So he said the mini Duster will come with the same 1-liter turbo-petrol engine, A10 with manual and CVT gearbox options. They found success with both the Brezza and Fronx, which are two completely different bodies. Kia and has Sonat and Cirrus with positions in the same category. Mahindra will adopt a similar approach with the upcoming NU based platform SUVs. It would be called the eraser joke, but it's a very good idea that they're getting serious about India.